I've been at the University of Calgary for about 5 years as a postdoctoral research fellow in the laboratories of Paul Beck and Justin McDonald. The decision to join the University of Calgary and the Snyder Institute was based on my current experience and past experience working with a number of fantastic investigators and mentors within various research groups. I think the infrastructure here really allows us to collaborate and work in a cross-disciplinary fashion. I've had mentors from various different departments, and I feel that the ability to collaborate and work together and use the resources that we have, the core resources that we have, to work together is an absolute asset to moving my projects forward in the study of inflammatory bowel diseases. The IBD Consortium is a group of scientists, both clinician scientists and basic scientists, who also do epidemiological work. And what we do within the Alberta IBD Consortium is team up with all the academic institutions in Alberta and beyond to tackle questions associated with the pathogenesis and the causes of inflammatory bowel diseases. Within this IBD Consortium, I will be looking at the role of environmental factors in the pathogenesis of inflammatory bowel diseases and how environmental factors such as pollution, cigarette smoke, and food additives may be involved in triggering the disease or exacerbating the inflammation associated with the disease. The work we're doing on inflammatory bowel diseases is definitely aided by our association with the Snyder Institute for Chronic Diseases, because they've got the imaging and much of the infrastructure that helps us to look at these very, very complex immunological systems. Furthermore, other members that have different tools within the group allow us to share these tools and share different techniques that allow us to apply techniques from different disease systems to inflammatory bowel diseases. The research that I'm doing right now involves a number of different techniques, many of which involve the use of transgenic animals. And one of the resources that I think is particularly helpful, and I think will help the projects move forward, is the Mouse Phenomics Core run by Bjorn Petri. And I think this particular resource will be absolutely essential to moving my research program forward, looking at inflammatory bowel diseases in the context of various transgenic mice, and applying these mutations that we see in the human population to animal models to kind of figure out why the humans with these mutations end up more susceptible to these diseases.